Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're addressing a frustrating AI image generation error that many creators are encountering. We experienced an error when generating images. Whether you're using popular platforms like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion, I've got you covered with these practical solutions to get your creative workflow back on track. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. Image generation errors often stem from prompt issues, server problems, or technical limitations. First, let's simplify your prompt. Overly complex or contradictory prompts are the #1 cause of generation errors. Remove any conflicting descriptors, reduce the number of elements, and try generating with a more straightforward description first. If that doesn't work, check the AI services status page. Platforms like OpenAI, Midjourney, and Stability AI often have status pages that show if there are ongoing outages or maintenance affecting image generation. Now, let's verify your input format. Some platforms have specific requirements for prompt structure. Ensure you're following the recommended format for your chosen AI tool, including proper use of commas, parameters, and any special syntax. For persistent errors, try reducing your image resolution or changing the aspect ratio. Very high resolutions or unusual aspect ratios can sometimes exceed the system's capabilities or available resources. If you're using negative prompts, try temporarily removing them to see if they're causing conflicts. Some negative prompt terms can inadvertently conflict with your main prompt. Clear your browser cache and cookies if you're using a web-based generator. Press Ctrl+Shift+Delete or CMD+Shift+Delete on Mac, and clear cached data for the site you're using. Check your subscription status if you're on a paid plan. Some generation errors occur when your monthly credit limit has been reached or your subscription needs renewal. For API users, verify your API key is valid and has sufficient credits. Check your usage statistics to ensure you haven't exceeded your rate limits or monthly allocation. As a last resort, try using a different AI image platform temporarily. This will help determine if the issue is platform-specific or more general to your setup. I know how frustrating it is when AI image generation fails, especially when you're working on important creative projects. One of these solutions should resolve the generation error. For most users, simplifying prompts or checking service status does the trick. If this guide helped you overcome AI image generation errors, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more AI tool troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.